I am. So I had this video ready right when the tournament started, and I always end up posting them late, so I'm gonna try to post this quick. At the end of this video, I'm gonna patch in the thing I did for my update from the boss fight with the M level plant tutorial. So if you got time, stick around after this, check that out. So the last spot here doesn't matter quite as much. You can use several different things. I'm using this ice bomb thing, whatever it is. I tried a lot of different stuff in that slot. Many things seem to work there. I'm having best luck with this. So let's see what I can do. And yeah, using that ice is intentional. I know that they're down during this tournament. That's actually the point. We don't want super strong ice because then it slows them down too much and you can't get as many points. Well, I can get a lot higher than that, so we'll do that again. That's a little better. Alright, here's the other thing I was going to tell you. In case I haven't gone over this before properly, when you go to M level, what happens? For those of you who don't have M level plants yet, well, it's really quite simple. You get 2 new statistics for almost every plant. There's 1 or 2 that function different, so they don't work this way, but you get 2 new categories. Nothing else that you have on the board goes up anymore. Price doesn't go down, toughness damage doesn't go up, recharge time doesn't change, but you get 2 new categories. So here's a level 10 one that I have. So when you upgrade to mastery, watch what you get. You get a new category. Mastery, damage pierce, mastery, chance to boost. So damage pierce means the percentage chance that your whatever the plant's weapon is, when it hits them, goes through whatever armor they have and kills them pretty much right away. And chance to boost is when you set it down, it automatically uses its plant food power immediately, then defaults to normal. So as you go up from M level 1, M level 2, M level 3, all it does is bump either one of these 1%. So that's why there's 200%. So it's a ton of money, a ton of time before you'll get to M200. But don't be discouraged when you see people with M level plants, because aside from having themselves maxed at level 10, this extra damage pierce, chance to boost, I mean, it takes quite a while. We'll look at my star real quick and we'll go as just to compare, since I have that one I think is my highest right now. I got 35% chance to boost through the zombie's armor and kill him quick, and 4% chance for it to be an automatic plant food power when it's dispatched. And you can see it's at 7,000 now at M35. Every couple M levels it goes up several thousand, so it's going to take forever to get this to a higher level, because I just don't have that much money. It looks like I have a lot, but I'm saving that because every time you have something that you have to upgrade, 50,000, 100,000 coins, and they're gone quick. Alright, that's it.